What's up, Dr. Zubin Nemanja? Okay, so last year I was supposed to speak again at AMGA's conference in person, and we know how that all played out. A little thing called, I forget the name of it now because the PTSD happened, and it got deferred. But now, so this is interesting. I actually am really excited because what I've discovered over this last year is what many of us who work in healthcare, and especially those members of AMGA who touch 1 in 3 American lives, these big medical groups, right, that are on the front lines of managing this pandemic. What we learned was that our current system in its current incarnation is fragile. And when it's stressed, it comes very close to breaking. Now, you could work to make it resilient where it resists change, but how much has resisting change really gotten us? Right? It's gotten us this bunch of legacy garbage that isn't doing anybody a service. It isn't doing our organizations, our employees, our doctors, our patients a service. It's only continuing the inertia of a system that doesn't serve us anymore. And it doesn't serve the 21st century. So what this pandemic taught us is we need an anti-fragile system. That goes one step beyond. It says, you know what? This system should be like an organism. It should get stronger from adversity so that it responds even more robustly in the future. And that's what the big organizations that make up the membership of AMGA have on offer. They can do this. And so over this year, I've learned a lot talking to really, really smart people across the business about what we can do to make healthcare better and serve us better, especially in the settings of dynamic challenges to our system like coronavirus. So what I'm going to talk about in April, it's April 20th to 22nd, I believe, the AMGA annual conference. It's virtual, but we'll be keeping it way real. What I'm going to talk about is exactly that, anti-fragility. How do we learn from what we've learned in the last year to make our systems even better? And also the personal transformations that it's going to take to, Oprah said it best, live your best life. Well, if you're not living authentically who you are, how is your organization going to be authentically what it's supposed to be in the world, right? How are you going to lead? And how are you going to be a part of the change? So that's what we're going to talk about. Just go sign up. It's, what is it? amga.org/AC21. Go and sign up, and I'll see you there. All right. Love you guys. We are out.